Hello friends, welcome to Interior Decor Designs. Wide open spaces might be calming mantra for some, but when it comes to a home, a lack of privacy can definitely be a pitfall rather than a source of serenity. Whether you are living the city life in a studio apartment that has the kitchen, bedroom and living room all rolled into one, or you are looking for one functional way to divvy up a space that's too expensive to handle, like a newly finished basement. The division is the key. However, putting up walls isn't always an easy or affordable route to take. Instead, it pays to get creative, using unique architectural element, common household furnishing, or even fabric to make your space a little more separate. A room divider is the ideal option as it allows you to divide the living area from the kitchen, the dining space or even home office without completely cutting off one room from the next one. Smart Home Divider delivers exactly what you need: a free passage of light but clear boundaries between the room. The best part of it all is that you have a wide array of room divider to pick from that venture beyond just glass walls. From DIY room dividers to designer one, these creative room divider ideas for your living room will force you to look at decorating your home in an entirely new light. Using the living room divider to add a wonderful display or even an additional storage option is a great way to make the most of the available space in your small urban apartment or modest modern home. The idea here is to separate the living room from the kitchen or dining room next to it without disturbing the style of each of the room and allowing for an effortless transition between both spaces. A combination of closed units for the base and open shelved at the top is practical choice that allows for unobstructed flow of light and a visual connection between the living area and the room next to it. Room dividers instantly make something out of nothing, turning single-use rooms into double spaces with separation and privacy. They can even create the illusion that a room has more square footage. Some room dividers can be built with such substances and sturdiness that they serve nearly the same function as inner partition walls. For DIY room dividers, put your carpentry and dry skill on the back burner. Instead, think along the lines of simple tools and easy to handle materials. For tools, staple guns, hot glue, hammer, finished nails tend to be the norm. For material, almost anything is fair game. Rope, license plate, plastic pipe, chicken wire, repurposed IKEA doors, pallet wood, vinyl records and metal, or just anything else you can dream up. With the lack of space of your plate, you can still incorporate a partition between the living room and the bedroom of your mini studio apartment with gorgeous glass separators. Look at how elegant a single glass wall makes the entire studio appear. It blends in perfectly with the white backdrop and wooden flooring of the apartment. Glass and white make everything brighter, making this petite pad look much larger and airy than it actually is. White drapes only further accentuate the gloss, making glass the ideal studio apartment segregator. Friends, if you are enjoying these designs and ideas on modern room partition designs, then you should definitely consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel and be a part of our YouTube family.